also Mar-Bal Incorporated, is headquartered near Cleveland, Ohio, formed in 1970, so certainly many, many years now of growth, and certainly from an innovation standpoint. We have our R&D Technical Center in a village called Chagrin Falls, again, near Cleveland, Ohio. And then we also have manufacturing in Northeast Ohio, currently in Chagrin Falls, which will then be transferring to Paynesville, Ohio, which again is in Northeast Ohio. We then also have manufacturing sites in Missouri, about an hour and a half west of St. Louis, in a town called Cuba, Missouri, and then another manufacturing site in the southwestern part of the state of Virginia, in a town called Dublin, Virginia. So we have 3 manufacturing sites here in the U.S., along with a phenomenal R&D center, which is located also in Northeast Ohio at our corporate headquarters. In addition, we're very proud over the last several years, we have expanded globally. So we have a sales and marketing office in Shanghai that we opened up in April of 2012, and that was really to meet the demand for our standoff insulators, proprietary products for the industrial, electrical, and even rail market. Those are products there. So April 2012, that opened. And then as we've matured in the Asia theater, we've actually also opened in the summer of 2016 a compression molding facility in Taozhou, China, which is just north of Shanghai. And so this again is to service our global OEM customers with localization strategies in China and beyond. So when we think of Asia, and certainly our customers in China, Vietnam, India, and other pieces there in that theater. The other great element of having a facility in Taozhou, we do compounding and compression molding, is that it can help us from a cost and quality standpoint with our customers as we work on new projects with them. As you mentioned, injection molding is certainly one of our core competencies. We actually also do compression molding and transfer molding as well. So depending on the application and or the market space, will then determine perhaps what type of molding process that we would use. Yeah, so the industries that we serve, we were actually, when we were founded back in 1970, that was for the electrical and industrial market spaces. So from a legacy business standpoint, that's how we were founded, and we are still participating in those markets. We actually also, over the years, through our growth, participate in the appliance industry. So that is a vastly different type of market space, whereas the industrial and electrical is really about performance. Certainly, these are parts and components that you don't see, but they actually are very important and vital, to the electrical and industrial market spaces. When you turn on the lights, those are, there's a certain thing that happens, whether it's inside the building or outside, the building in a switchgear or transformer and things like that. Whereas on the appliance side of the business, these are parts that you can touch, feel, and see on a daily basis. So very high aesthetics, the look, both from an in-color mold all the way up to a metallized part that we can actually manufacture as well. We also participate and have done very well in transportation, both the heavy truck and the rail locomotive markets. We've done incredibly well there. And then we have some proprietary products where we actually get into hotels and hospitals and universities and that sort of thing, mainly because of the fire resistance technology that those types of products and our materials provide. We're more than just a molder. So within our industry, there are some fantastic molders out there, obviously competitors, but yet friends of ours. And that's what they do. They mold parts.